This is a quick video overview to show how to repair a Peacock joint on a SawHood Pro if the support arms have come out of the joint. Peacock joints are the black pieces shown in the top of this image. If your Peacock joint is to break and those support arms are to come out of it, what we're going to do is we're going to send you an entire repair kit in order to fix it. The repair kit's going to come in a plastic bag. It's going to have a pair of our macro flush cut trimmers, 2 Peacock joints, and a bag of nuts and bolts. The repair process is pretty easy. It should take you about 10 minutes total. There is one difficult step to it, and that's going to be that when we produce these originally, we do use rivets in them. And you're going to have to remove these rivets and replace them with the nuts and bolts I was talking about. How you're going to do that is you do need to attack the rivets from this inside where there's a washer. You're going to want to work your flush cut trimmers in behind the washer. And then you essentially just have to wiggle them back and forth behind that washer, use a lot of pressure. Eventually you'll start to bend that washer out. You'll be able to get even farther behind it, and then you can cut through the rivet, cut the end of it off, and then force it through this side and out this side. Once you've done that, you're going to replace it with a set of nuts and bolts that we provide for you. As you can see, I did remove this bottom one here. I replaced it with a nut and bolt. It does look a little bit different, but that's okay. It's going to be just as sturdy. So like I said, this is only about a 10-minute process. If your Peacock joint itself is broken, that's why we include the 2 extras. You can just replace it with one of those 2, and then that should fix most issues. One thing to note though, there are 2 styles of arms for the SawHood. That's this metal part right here. Pictured is the older style of arm. This is the one that is a little bit more prone to breaking, older models of the SawHood. You will need to tell us though if your SawHood is broken, if you have the older style or the newer style, to make sure we send you the correct parts to fix it. If you have any questions about this, FastCap's phone number is 888-443-3748, and we're happy to answer any questions and provide you with a fix for this issue if your support arms are to come out of your Peacock joint or your Peacock joint is to break. Thank you.